So this is 2-5, solving inequalities with variables on both sides. Our first problem is 1x is less than 3x plus 8. We have a variable on both sides, so to get rid of one of those variables, we just take it away. We subtract 3x from both sides. We end up with negative 2x is less than 8. To get x by itself now, since this is multiplication, we're going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. Since we divided by negative 2 on both sides, or because this is a negative coefficient, we had to flip. And so we keep our x on the left side, and on the right, 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. So x is greater than negative 4. Okay, so for this problem, 6x minus 1 is less than or equal to 3.5x plus 4. Again, we have a variable on both sides, so I need to take that variable away from one of the sides. So I'm choosing to get rid of the 3.5x. And when you subtract 6 minus 3.5, you'll get 2.5x. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 4. We add 1 to both sides. We have 2.5x is less than or equal to 5. I know I'm not going to flip on this one because my coefficient is positive. I'm going to divide by a positive number, 2.5 on each side. And so we have x is less than or equal to 2. So for this inequality, I started by subtracting x on both sides, which canceled the variable. We no longer have a variable here. And so I ended up with 5 is greater than or equal to 3. And you have to stop and think about that if it's a true statement or if it's false. If it's true, the answer is all real numbers are infinitely many. If it's false, the answer would be no solution. This looks confusing because when we had equations, if we had 5 equals 3, it would have been no solution. But that was just because that statement is false.